lesson, who can still remember what we were doing yesterday? 2D shapes, right. So, anyone who can name the 2D shape that you know?
Square.
Square, yes.
Rectangle.
Rectangle, correct.
Trapezium.
Trapezium, correct. Triangle, yes.
Hexagon.
Hexagon.
Quadrilateral.
Quadrilateral, what type of quadrilateral? Square or rectangle? Square, yes.
Pentagon.
Pentagon. So you all remember the 2D shapes, right?
Yes.
Yes. So today's lesson is going to be about the 3D objects. The what?
3D objects.
3D objects. So first, we're going to be looking at our learning intentions and success criteria, right?
Yes.
So our learning intentions is what you intended to know, and then the success criteria is what you need to know by the end of the lesson, correct?
Yes.
Yes. So you're gonna read after me. Our learning intentions, we are learning to know and understand 3D objects.
We are learning to know and understand 3D objects.
And then we're looking at our success criteria. I can define 3D objects.
I can define 3D objects.
I can recognize, visualize, and name 3D objects.
I can define 3D objects.
I can recognize, visualize, and name 3D objects.
I can recognize, visualize, and name 3D objects.
I can identify characteristics of 3D objects.
I can identify characteristics of 3D objects.
Number and shapes of faces, vertices, and edges.
Number and shapes of faces, vertices, and edges.
And edges. So today we're going to be learning about 3D objects, right?
Yes.
So if you look at this is a box, right?
Yes.
So you can tell us what shape is this box? Yes? A 2D shape, it's a square, yes, but a 3D object, it's a cube. Is it correct? Yes. So this is a cube, right?
Yes.
So we have faces. We're going to be learning about the characteristics, which is the faces, vertices, and edges, right?
Yes.
So when we talk about the faces, we are talking about the appearance of the object, right? So this is a face, 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 right?
Yes.
So we're going to count the faces of this box together, which is a cube, right? So we're starting here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So it has how many faces?
6 faces.
6 faces, right? And then we're going to be moving into the vertices, right?
Yes.
So the vertices, these are the vertices. These are the vertices. That's where the edges meet, right? These are the vertices, right? So we're going to be counting the vertices of this object. We can count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So it has 8 vertices, right?
Yes.
And then we're going to be counting the edges, right? These are the edges of the shape, right? So we count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
12. So we know that a cube, it has how many faces? 6 faces, right? And then how many vertices?
8 vertices.
8 vertices. How many edges?
12 edges.
12 edges, right? So I'm just going to show you an example of a cube. So the first shape that we're going to be learning about is a cube. Do you see a cube?
Yes.
the box, right?
Yes.
Do you see a difference? There's no difference, right?
Yes.
Yes. So when we look at our pictures here, here is a cube, right?
Yes.
This is a cube. This is a
Cylinder. Cone. Rectangular prism. Sphere.
a sphere, right? So I'm just gonna demonstrate these shapes. Okay. So you gotta look. So this row, I'm giving you a cube, right? This one is a rectangular prism. This one,
Cylinder.
cylinder, and then okay, this is a triangular. Okay, let me give you a triangular prism because we don't have a sphere. So, this group has cube, right? This group
Rectangular prism.
rectangular prism. This group
Cylinder.
this group
Triangular prism.
triangular prism. So you're gonna be counting the faces. So we already counted the faces here, right?
Yes.
So now we're gonna be counting the faces here. So now we're just using a ball technique, right?
Yes.
Using a
Ball technique.
even though it's not round because it's an alternative, so we're using a ball technique. So if I throw a ball to you, meaning that you're giving me the answer, right?
Yes.
So this is a rectangular prism, right?
Yes.
How many faces does a rectangular prism, don't raise up your hand, does a rectangular prism have? Faces, 6 faces, is she correct?
Yes.
6 faces, right. Kick. And then we're looking at the vertices. How many vertices does a rectangular prism have? 8. 8 vertices. Is she correct?
Yes.
Thank you. And then now we're looking at the edges. How many edges does the shape have? 12. Is he correct?
Yes.
Nice. So we're done. And then now we're looking at what shape is this?
Cylinder.
A cylinder, right? So now we're no longer using a ball technique. Now we are using the naming sticks. Ne? So these are the naming sticks that we're gonna be using, right? So if I pick up your name here, meaning you're giving us an answer, right? Bukhari. So how many faces does this shape have? Bukhari. Faces? 3, right? Is she correct?
Yes.
1,
2, 3.
3 faces, right? She's correct. And then we're moving to vertices. Tiamo. Where is Tiamo? Oh, okay. So how many vertices does this shape have? 2 vertices. Is she correct?
Yes.
Okay, we're moving to the edges, right? Zenande. Where's Zenande? Okay. How many edges does the shape have? 4 edges. You can help Zenande. Please call a friend. Call a friend that can help you. Anyone? Temiso? How many edges Does it have two edges? Does it have two edges? Color French. Khanyisile. Remember the edges. These are the edges, right? These are the edges. Which is correct. It has two edges. You are not sure. So this one, right? Two. Keep. And then we are moving to our yes. We're still using our naming sticks. What should be color friend? Okay, you said you color friend. You want the faces? Not there? How many faces? 5 faces. Is she correct?
Yes.
Just count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes, correct. It's 5 faces. Keep. Well, color friend for vertices. Vuyo, vertices. How many vertices? Remember the vertices? These are the vertices. How many? And 5. Is it correct?
Yes.
Kiki. Siyabonga. Call a friend. Call a friend. Anyway, we want the edges. Remember, these are the edges. How many are they?
8.
Are they 8?
Yes.
Let's count them first.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Correct. Kiki. 8 vertices, right?
Yes.
So far, did we identify the characteristics of 3D objects?
Yes.
The number of shapes, vertices, and edges?
Yes.
Yes. So now we are looking at the definition of a 3D object. So a 3D object or shape are solid figures or shapes that have 3 dimensions: the length, the width, and the height. Right. So you read after me. A 3D object.
A 3D object. Shape are solid figures, shapes that have 3 dimensions: length, width, and
Height. So length, width, and height. So now, can we define 3D objects?
yes.
Can we recognize, visualize, and name 3D objects?
Yes.
Can we identify the characteristics of 3D objects?
Yes.
Meaning that we have met our success criteria. So now we're going to give you an activity, right? So you're going to place this at the back of your book. You can open your book. So it's a pair activity, right?
Yes.
Yes, you do it with your partner. You don't do it alone. So here, they gave you shapes, right?
Yes.
I don't know the shape, and then they say name the shape, vertices, edges, and faces of a shape. So the first shape here, it's a cylinder. You know a cylinder, right?
Yes.
This is a cylinder. They gave you a cylinder. You have an idea how a cylinder looks like. Even here, we do have a cylinder, right?
Yes.
So it's a cylinder, and then you're naming the face, the vertices, and the edges of a cylinder, right?
Yes.
So I'm gonna give you one paper, and then you share. Starting with the cylinder, cuboid, cube, and a sphere, right? another activity. You copy the table. Yeah. The topic is 50 objects. Don't forget to write today's date.
So 7 there because it will be an entire hour.
So you can pick up your books. Break time, then we're gonna continue after break, right? Yes. You can stand up and pray. One that I gave you, you draw the 5 shapes that you see here, and then you write the names of the shapes, right? Yes. And then you write the number of faces, vertices, and edges, right? Yes. Yes, you can draw. I'm giving you 10 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm writing the second activity. So this is the second activity, it's individual activity, right?
Yes.
So the instruction is draw the 2 shapes and name, identify the shapes, faces, vertices, and edges, right? So you're gonna draw a cube, a cylinder, and you name the shapes, faces, vertices, and middle. What's the name of the first shape? Pyramid. Pyramid. How many faces does it have?
5 faces.
How many vertices does it have?
5 faces.
How many edges does it have?
8 edges.
8 edges. The second shape, what's the name of the second shape?
Cylinder.
Cylinder. How many faces?
2
vertices?
8 vertices.
How many edges?
12 edges.
The last shape is a sphere. How many faces does a sphere have?
0 faces.
0 faces. The vertices?
0 vertices.
The edges?
0 edges.
0 edges, right. And then, did you draw the cube and the cylinder and you label it?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. How did you draw your cube? Okay, if you draw mine here. Is it correct?
Yes.
How do you label it? This is it.
Face.
Base.
Vertices.
Vertices.
Edge.
It's my edge, right? And then did you draw your cylinder?
Yes.
This is my cylinder. Face. Your
Vertices.
edge. It's your edge. So you need to draw like this, right?
Yes.
Yes. So, your homework, it's on your textbook. Take out your textbook. Even if it's on textbook, on the table, it's fine. Page 302. Page 302. Page 302. Is everyone open here?
Yes.
Is it over here?
Yes.
Yes. So you're gonna do number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right. So number 1 says which 3D objects have curved surface, curved and flat surface, right? Number 2, which 3D objects have faces that are only triangles, squares, and rectangles? Number 3, which 3D object has faces which are rectangles? You're gonna choose between the given ones. And then number 4, which 3D objects have faces that are triangles, right? So that's your homework. Here?
Yes.
Yes. So now I'm going to give you the exit tickets. So on the exit tickets, you're gonna write what you learned today, right? Remember, we were able to define the 3D objects. We were able to recognize and visualize the 3D objects. We were able to identify also the characteristics of the 3D objects, right?
Yes.
So you write here on your exit ticket what you learned today, what you understood today in today's lesson, right?
Yes.
Yes. And then our next activity, we're gonna be looking at the pyramids and the difference between pyramids and tetrahedrons, right? Yes. So these are your exit tickets. You write now and then you pass once you're done. You pass the exit ticket to the front. You write what you learned today, what you understood throughout the lesson. Once you're done, you pass your exit ticket to the front.